week we learned how to read 3 new notes underneath those 5 notes. I hope you figured out how to play number 1 to number 5. I just want to make sure you got it right. Number 1, first finger on G right here. Number 2, same first finger on G. Number 3, same position. Number 4, this is a review from the previous section. First finger goes on C. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 is a little different. First finger goes on A. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you got it right. If you are practicing differently, I want you to practice this page one more week and also try number 6 to number 10.